fifth stop on our nature walk is we're going to do our Find Your Tree activity. All you need is a bandana or a scarf that you can put over your eyes and another person like your parents or your sibling to help you out. So this is how you do it. You blindfold yourself and then your partner will guide you by holding your arm to a tree. You get to have 30 seconds to a minute to touch and feel and smell the tree, and then you go back to the starting point, take off the blindfold, and you have to try to find the tree that you were guided to. And then you switch and take turns. So I'll give you a quick example of how it works right now. I'm gonna blindfold myself, make sure I can't see anything. And my partner is gonna guide me, but first give me a couple of spins. All right. And now they're gonna guide me safely over to a tree. I'm gonna go nice and slow so I don't fall or trip over anything. Putting all of my trust in my partner right now to make sure that they're gonna get me to this tree safely. I like this. Ooh, I feel something. Let me know when 30 seconds is up, okay?
Okay.
My partner's also going to make sure I don't touch anything sharp or poisonous while I'm feeling my way around the tree to get to know it better so I can find it later. I can't reach any branches right now, so that's one good indicator. I don't feel any branches on any sides. We come to this side. Oh, I'm being tapped. Being guided. Arm down. Oh, my 30 seconds is up? That was it. It was so fast. I didn't have time to get to know my tree that well. Okay, I hope I can find it. Getting led back to the beginning spot where we started. I'm getting spun around again. Okay. Where are you taking me? This is fun. What? Oh, right back to my log. Okay, perfect. Okay. And now I take off my blindfold. Whew. A little disorienting, and I gotta try to find my tree. Felt like I was turned around a lot. Okay, I'm looking for something small with no branches. I think I got it right away. Is this my tree?
Nope.
No? Okay. Oh, it's this one. This might, no. This already doesn't feel like my tree. Is this my tree?
Nope.
It's not that one. It was small. I could hold it around my hands. Is this my tree?
Nope.
This is hard. Oh, let's try this one. No, I definitely would have felt these branches with my eyes closed. Let me see. This feels a little like it, but It's a little big. I feel like I could have put my arms around the other one. Is this my tree?
Nope.
All right. It's not this one. It's not this one. It's too big. It's not this one. It's too big too.
Do you give up?
I give up. Which one's my tree? Show me. Take me to it. Where? This little one? No. Oh, this is the part that I felt at the bottom right here sticking out. If I would have had more time, maybe I could have felt that it was a tour. That was awesome. Give it a try and see if you can find your tree.